everybody, and thank you for joining me for another day of phonics. If you're new to phonics today, just join in where you can, and remember it's about having fun and learning some new sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Fantastic. Amazing. Beautiful sounding, everybody. Let's do them together. Are you ready? Qua, qua, qua. Shh, shh, shh. I. And back to. Thank you. That was brilliant sounding today. My turn, your turn. I'm going to use a rhyming string today. Okay, make sure you're listening. Snow, blow. Snow, blow. Snow, blow. Snow, blow, grow. Amazing. Snow, blow, grow. Beautiful. Snow, blow, grow, glow. That was really tricky. Snow, blow, grow, glow. All of those words have the same sound in them. What sound could you hear? Oh, are you sure? Or let's keep going and see if you're right. Have you brought your phone in fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Have you brought your phone in fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Here we go. Your word is grow. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Beautiful. Your word is pillow. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Can you rest your head on your pillow? Beautiful. Your word is crow. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Brilliant. I can see a crow in the trees. Your word is shadow. This time I'm not going to help you. Can you do it on your phoning fingers? Shadow. Oh, that's tricky. Are you ready to see if you got it right? Shadow. Shadow. Did you get 4 sounds? Give me a high five. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to be a robot. You are going to be a blender. Here we go. W-I-N-D-O. Can you look out your window, your window? Oh, the sun's shining. I can see it out my window. Your word, are you ready? Snow. Well, the snow was falling. Oh, about the tricky one then. Snow. Can you build a snowman? Oh, I can see you've had a good night's sleep. Let's keep going. Your word is below. Below. Fantastic. Okay, get your robot arms ready. Are they nice and strong? Oh, they are ready today. Your word is grow. Brilliant. Grow. Your word is growing. Fabulous. Your word is growth. Brilliant. Growth. Amazing. Your word is yellow. The sun is yellow. Amazing. Last word. Your word is shallow. At the swimming pool, the water was shallow. Brilliant. Oh, I helped you a little bit there. Did you get it all right? Shallow. Shallow. Brilliant. Who thinks they know what my sound is today? Do you? What do you think it is? Oh, shall we check? I think you're right. I think it is the O sound. You are correct. Here's my O sound. An O and a W make an O sound. They also make an owl sound, but today we're practicing them making the O sound. Diagraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. O. O. You say it. O, 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 O. Brilliant. We're going to practice reading words that have the O sound in them. When we read, what do we do? Well done. And anyone who's new today, we look at the letters, make the sound, and we blend the sounds together. Are you ready? Here we go. Brilliant. Can you show me how you row the boat? Row. Amazing. Your next word. Here we go. I'm ready. Are you? Fabulous. Is this a D? No. B-O. Bow. Brilliant. Oh, this is a good word. Here we go. Can you pretend to throw your ball? Throw it. Oh, I'm going to catch it. Fantastic. Brilliant. Your next word. Here we go. Show. You are showing me how good you are at phonics today. Well done. Remember, we don't say p-i-u-u. We say p-i-u. Let's try it. Ready? P-i-u-o. Pillow. Well done. Fantastic. Last reading word for today. Shallow. Brilliant. I go in the shallow end of the swimming pool. Brilliant reading, everybody. Now it's time for, let me give you a clue. Writing. Get your whiteboard and your pen, your paper and your pencil ready for today's writing. We are writing words that have the O sound in them, that have the O sound in them. You definitely had a really good night's sleep last night, I can tell. You have to say the word, say the word, say the word. Finger the word. Some of us are still roboting the word, that is fine, and then we write it. So when we write, we say the word, say the word, say the word, we finger the word, or we robot the word before we write it down, okay? As long as you are breaking the word into their sounds, I don't mind if you finger it or if you robot it, okay? Your word is snow. Snow, can you write it? Snow. Remember in your cursive handwriting, snow. I hope it doesn't snow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snow. Snow. Brilliant. Your next word is yellow. Yellow. My favourite colour is yellow. Say it, say it, say it. Robot it or finger it. Write it. Remember, there's 2 L's in this L sound. Yeah, L. Oh, I think I remembered it. Have you? I hope so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yellow. Yellow. Remember Miss Hulstrom said there's 2 L's in this L sound. Did you get it right? Give yourself a round of applause. Your last word for today is shadow. Shadow. Say it, say it, say it. Shadow, shadow, shadow. Finger it or robot it. Sh-a-d-o. Shadow. Can you write it? Shadow. This is a bit tricky, this one. I want to make sure you've written a d and not a b in your shadow. Make sure you have your D the right way around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow. 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 Thank you everybody for tuning in to Phonics again today. I have a challenge for you today. Can you use the word pillow and put it into a sentence? Oh, I have a sentence. On Saturday, I had a pillow fight with my sisters. Can you think of a sentence with the word pillow in it? Thanks. See you all soon.